girl Amanda. So today guys, I'll be showing you how to make a simple meal with maybe with just 150. Yeah, I'm sure you can just cook with delicious meal, a simple meal guys. As I told you that I'll show you what I'll be cooking, and then I have already boiled my chicken, and then I have my 2 carrots. This is a peeler, and then I have onion, potato. The way I love potatoes, everything must have potatoes in my tomato. And we have this one, and then this one, and then this one, and I'm thinking of putting cold beans because I'll be cooking stew chicken. And this is my fish oil, cooking oil, and inside here there is sauce, and then this is my spaghetti from ShopRite. My pot, my bowl, and have a knife. So I'll be showing you when I'm cooking. When you're cooking spaghetti, firstly, I'll put hot water. Not put a lot of it because anyways you're going to watch it. Okay, I'm gonna put it. Some people they like to cut it, but I prefer to not to cut it because it's nicer when it's like long. You know, when you're eating it, it's like I know guys, I know I'm crazy, I know, serious, I know. I'll be showing you. I know some people they don't know how to cook this thing, so you just put it like this and make sure that we have a fork so that you'll be separating it. Ne? Until you see. You see? You can see it's going down, 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 down. So you can see guys, everything is inside the pot now. Just have to still be separating it so that it's going to be nice. So okay, let me close the pot so that I can give it time to boil, but I have to be separating it. Okay, and then this is my chicken. Guys, I was trying to separate it because you know this chicken sometimes they will be very very big, so let me just, guys, I don't have time to take the chicken and put it in the bowl and start mixing the spices. Me, I'll just mix on the pot before I put cooking oil. You see? Shortcuts, babes, because we are hungry. We want to eat. We are from work. We are tired. Okay. And I'm gonna add my other spicy. Mission. My mom doesn't know I do like this. If she sees me doing like this, she's gonna shout at me. Yeah, but it's not the way I teach you how to do things. How are you doing like that? So back to our spaghetti. Oh, guys, I don't know. Let me, guys, I'll show you after cause I need power. I can't use one hand now because Guys, as I was off, I was busy cutting potatoes, carrots and onion, but my onion didn't cut nicely, but I'll try to chop it. I'll grate the tomato, that's why I didn't cut it. So let's go and check our spaghetti. Yeah, the water is down now. So, but you see, it's supposed to be like this. And then now I'm going to wash it. Now I'm washing my spaghetti, and let me just put this first. I didn't cut the onion nicely, but it's gonna be fine. So, yo, nasha. So guys, yep, spread it everywhere. I was frying on chicken, so you can see it's brown. You can see it is brown. So before adding tomato, you must make sure that the onion is brown, so that you can add your tomato. Don't add tomato before the onion is brown, guys. See, it's very beautiful. My chicken is brown. Yes, guys. It's nice. So you mix. You don't close, because if you close, your chicken is not, your onion is not gonna turn brown. I'm not just going to. It's not going to. Let's just not close. Yeah, you see, I'm cooking this chicken stew. What did I say? Chicken stew. Yes. Let me close. But let me not close. So now I'm going to wash my spaghetti. Guys, you know how to wash it most. Or should I show you? But the thing is, I don't have anyone to hold the phone for me when I'm going to the tap. But you open the tap and then you. Okay, let me try. I'll show you. So this is how you do it. Yeah. You see, I just wash it, and then after washing it, there's no need for you to put water. You just need to add your salt. There's no need for you to, you can measure with your eyes. Yeah, I measure with my eyes, Shem. I don't use these things for teaspoon, you see. You put it all over, and then you take your oil. You take your oil small, and then you take your fork, and then you two thing is, I can't use one hand. I don't know. The other hand, I think, he has to touch the pot. So guys, this is my spaghetti. Then you just lower the stove, and then you roll it, and then you check it after 30 minutes. I'm sure it's going to be fine. Thank you. So this is my grater. I'm already done grating, guys. I forgot to show you. And then you can check. I put the tomato, so now I have to mix it. Mixed our soya, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of salt, and then we mix this with water. Yes. And then you We mix it, we mix it, we mix it, we mix it, we mix it. Mix, 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 mix. And then you can see how nice is it. So guys, you can see it. You just love it before even you taste it. So, and guys, I have opened the beans, cool beans, so let it boil for some minutes. So guys, finally our spaghetti is okay, ready to eat. You can see, you can see, you can see. And then our soup, guys, looks like it's burning. I just have to add, let me switch off the stove. Let me just add a little bit of beans, not too much. Yeah, it's fine like this. And then you mix it. You see how beautiful it is. You mix, you mix, you mix, you mix, you mix. You mix it, guys. It's beautiful, sure. I love it. I love it. Can't wait to eat. We are done. Let me just clean the kitchen. And then we're going to go and dish up. We are done cooking. But this camera is not showing nicely. So, this is the food. You can see. It's delicious. This is the food, guys. We are done. So now I'm going to add this sauce. So, I'm going to drink the orange.